margarita of some sort.
We're back in LA.
We're basically back in SD. Or in LA for that matter, yeah. Hello everybody.
It's all about margarita time.
That's right.
Margaritas are sexy time.
Margaritas are sexy time. I love it.
Sexy time. And don't run away.
Then you give it to say hello to Carly. Hi Carly, who obviously if you look has no drink. What's that about?
No drink.
No drink.
I will.
No drink. Reese on the other hand leads by example. Nod, yes, good. Michelle?
I'm the worst one. I think we should do shots.
Woohoo! I say a nod to that as well.
Shot with me?
I will do a shot. You know I don't ever do shots.
The camera goes off like that.
Totally. What a poser I am. Alright guys, are we having fun in Mexico? Can we do a Mexican yell? Anybody? Alright, ready for mine? That's how you do it.
Yes.
That's how you get it done. I never want to see this video ever.
We're not?
No.
I'm used to